It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
with detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.
Hi, good morning, one and all. Welcome to Unacademy. Yes, I came up with one more question of the day where students' focus will be very less on that. Of course, even though they solve the question, they solve in a normal orthodox way. They don't use the technique to solve the question easily, where they can gain these 2 marks easily in their examination. Now, today I will show how allegation rule works in order to solve the equations very easily, right? And again, I will solve some questions regarding percentages which were asked in GATE 2022 very easily. How to solve those questions there. Okay, now before start of the class, let me introduce myself. This is NLN Sharma and my best CAT score was 99.83 in 2011. These are my credentials. Now, when you use my code NLN10, yes, you will get 10% discount and you will get guidance of all these subjects from me. Now, why me? I am ranked 33 in overall category of GATE and ESE and rank 1 in math and chemistry category. I have dealt more than 50,000 plus students till date for CAT, UPSC and GATE and ESE. Now, many students were asking me what is the difference between plus and iconic and what are the advantages when we choose iconic or plus. In iconic, yes, you will be assigned with a personal coach exclusively. How this coach will be helpful. Now, he will be giving you the best study plan for each and every topic. You will be getting specialized notes and practice sets. You will be getting study booster sessions. The most important thing regarding this personal coach is personalized test analysis. right? Most of the students complain me this, sir, we have completed the entire syllabus, but we are not able to apply the things onto the questions. This is where your coach will be helpful. Each and every test will be analyzed and your mistakes are identified, so that if that mistakes are rectified, automatically your score will be boosted. Yes, one more advantage when you choose Iconic, you will be getting one-to-one live mentorship program with your mentor and educator, so that you can speak with them personally regarding your difficulties facing, and you'll get the best solutions for that. You can book the slots. One more advantage when you choose Iconic subscription, you will be getting access to complete Raudra coding classes, so that you can complete all your software courses as a backup to a career. Yes. One more advantage, right? Of course, you get whatever you get in Plus, you will get in Iconic also. In Plus, the classes will be on live pattern, which will be in English and Hindi, and every course will be completely structured, and you can choose your own courses and batches according to your need, right? Comprehensive course, crash courses, rank improvement batch, right? Weekly tests are available, quizzes are available. You will be get unlimited access to all these things. How much you have to invest? If you are choosing Plus and if you are opting for 24-month subscription, it will be costing you on an average of 65 rupees per day, the lowest, where you will get India's the best educators to teach for you. When you use my code NLN10, yes, you will get my guidance, my entire group guidance, right from Bhima sir, Vishal sir, Negi sir, right? So code is for guidance, and of course you will be getting 10% discount. After 10% discount, the price will be 46,728. For 12 months, it will be 32,126 after discount when you use my code NLN10, and this is for 18 months. Coming to Iconic, of course, right, we have added one more category, right? 9-month subscription, those who are aiming to GATE 2023. So this subscription will be damn helpful for you, and you will be getting 10% discount on this price when you use my code NLN10. Coming to Iconic, it will be 55,886 after discount when you use my code NLN10 for 12 months, and this is for 18 and 24 months. Right now, from May 9th to May 12th window, we are offering printed notes for both Plus and Iconic. It's not only Iconic, it is for both Plus and Iconic, right? Those who are interested, serious, do try to subscribe to Unacademy between this window, so that you will get the printed notes prepared by topmost educators in India. Yes, and there is a price hike soon. We are increasing our prices there. So do beat the price hike. Subscribe before the price hikes, right? Let's start our discussion here. Now, this is the question which was asked in GATE 2022. Observe the question carefully. Both the numerator and the denominator of 3 by 4 are increased by a positive integer x. So this is a fraction. Numerator of this fraction is 3. Let us suppose that this 3 numerator is increased by x, it seems, divided by, now denominator of this fraction 4, and it is also increased by x. This is what given data there. You can just write down the data neatly. You can solve the question perfectly. And those of 15 by 17 are decreased by the same integer. Same integer matlab x only. Now in another scenario, I'll write down in red ink. Numerator of this fraction is 15. This is decreased by a same integer called x. Now denominator of this fraction is 17, and this is also decreased by a same fraction called x. Yes, and this operation results in the same value for the both fractions. So by doing this, these became equal to, it seems. That's it. Your question is over here. Crisscross it and find out the x value, or otherwise you can substitute your options and then also you can find out the value there. Substituting the options, automatically you might take one minute for each and everything, so it takes a little bit time. So crisscross it and find out. So see here, I'll write down this 3 plus x into 17 minus x is equal to 4 plus x to 15 minus x. Done. Now 3 into 17 is 51. Am I right? Yes. 3 into minus x will be minus 3x. So 17 into x will be 17x. Minus into minus x will be minus x square, is equal to 15 4s are 60. minus 4x plus 15x plus into minus x will be minus x square. LHS minus x square gets cancelled down. Minus 3x plus 17x will be 14x. Right, now see here, minus 4x plus 15x will be 11x, and this 11x I will take down onto the left hand side. Minus 11x is equal to 60 minus 51 will be 9. 14 minus 11x will be 3x. 3x is equal to 9, and what will be your x value? X value will be equal to 3, and this is your option there. And you can substitute it. 3 plus 3 is 6, 4 plus 3 is 7, right? So 6 divided by 7, now how much will be this? 15 minus x will be 12, 17 minus x will be 14, and you will get the same answer there. Am I right or wrong? 4 by 7, I mean 6 by 7. Done. LHS is equal to RHS. Perfectly done. Right. Now we can use a normal template method for time work questions here. Time work, there is no need to remember any technique, any formula, nothing, right? We can solve in a normal single template technique, which I have explained in Plus and also on YouTube platform. Once observe the question there. Pipe P and Q can fill a storage tank. Can fill a storage tank in full, means completely, with water in 10 and 6 minutes. So I'll write down the data here so that we can have little bit clarity. Pipe P is a filling pipe which can fill the tank in 10 minutes, it seems. Okay. There is one more filling pipe called Q. This can fill the tank in 6 minutes, it seems. Okay, respectively. And now see here, pipe R draws the water out from the storage tank at a rate of 34 liters per minute. We have done similar type of question n number of times in our YouTube class and also on Plus platform. I'll write down in red ink, right? R is nothing but a withdrawal pipe which removes water. Did they give the complete data? No, right? Complete minutes were not given there. So the only thing is it can withdraw 34 liters per minute is the data given there, and this data is not given. Let us write down later, but later on, right? PQR operates at a constant rate, it seems. If it takes 1 hour to completely empty a full storage tank with all the 3 pipes operating simultaneously. Ab dekho, see, P is operating, Q is operating, and R is also operating. So R I will write down in red ink. So if these 3 are operating, is tank filling or emptying? Tank is emptying, it seems. Means negative. In how many minutes? In 1 hour, it seems. Am I right or wrong? 1 hour matlab, is it 60 minutes? Yes, it is 60 minutes. What is the capacity of the storage tank is the question. As you are asked to find out tank capacity. What is the capacity of the storage tank? Okay, fine. So chalo, first of all, let's find out the tank capacity in units. Then later on we'll convert it. Okay. Sir, how to find out? Maine ek baat bola, right? Even though if you don't know one value, you can find out the tank capacity by LCM method. Find out a value which is divisible by 10, 6, 60. Automatically you'll get the answer there. 10 can be written as 2 into 5. 6 can be written as 2 into 3. 60 can be written as same, right? 2 square into 3 into 5. Right or wrong? 6 5s are 30. I mean 4 5s are 20. 23s are 60. Am I right or wrong? Yes or no? Yes, perfectly. So my LCM will also be 60. Yes. LCM I will take down as 60. You have to convert the 60 units into liters, right? We will convert it. Let's write down the efficiency of these pipes, right? Efficiency means work done per unit time. E is nothing but called work done per unit time. I'll write down here. Efficiency. Let us suppose take I can eat 10 idli. Right? Ram can eat only 5 idli. So who is more efficient? I am more efficient, right? Work done the same given time per unit time. Here unit per unit time. Here unit time is nothing but minutes. So efficiency of P. 60 units of tank can be filled in 10 minutes. In 1 minute, how much it can fill? 6 units. Similarly, 60 units of tank can be filled in 6 minutes. So in 1 minute it can fill 10 units. Do you know the data here? No, I don't know the data here, but you know here. So in 1 minute it can fill 1 unit. So finally I'll write down here in 1 minute. In 1 minute, if P, Q, R are working. Now the tank can be emptied. How much of tank is emptied? 1 unit. So I have to write down -1. So P value is 6, Q value is 10, and we don't know about R value. We have to find out that. 10 plus 6, 16. This 16, if it goes to right hand side, this is equal to -1 now. So automatically this has to be -17. Only in that case it will work out. Am I right or wrong? Perfectly. So by this, what can I say? My R efficiency is -17 units here. Only in that case it can become -1. So by this, can I find out this value? Yes, I can find out this value there. Ab dekho, by 60 units of tank. Oh, sorry, I'll write down here regarding R. Regarding R. So in 1 minute, it can empty -17 units of tank. Total 60 units of tank can be emptied in how many minutes? Is it 60 by 17? Yes, it is 60 by 17 minutes. So I can find out my answer very easily. Ab dekho, you are asked to find out the storage capacity of the tank. In 1 minute, our tank can empty 34 liters, it seems. So in total 60 by 17 minutes, how much of tank will be emptied? And that will be the storage capacity of the tank. Am I right or wrong? This was asked in civil engineering paper, civil mechanical, I think so, right? For GATE 2022. So your answer is 60 by 17 into 34. 2 marks question. So everybody knows 16, 17 ones are, 17 twos are. So is it 120? Yes, it is 120 liters. And your option number C satisfies there. Perfectly done. I hope so. I am clear regarding this. Yes. So let's solve the next question here. Now see, the data is huge. So you have to organize the data perfectly. Until unless if you don't organize the data perfectly, you cannot solve this question, right? Let's see. A survey of 450 students. So totally there are 450 students, it seems. I'll write down the data. Okay. About their subjects of interest resulted in the following outcome. So how many variables are there? Math, physics, chemistry are there, it seems. Remaining students are interested in humanities, it seems. Okay. How many? Based on the above students, the number of students interested in humanities is the question asked. So how shall we do this? We'll do this, right? So as there are 4 variables, you need not worry about that. We can use 3 variables and solve the question. I'll show you how to use 3 variables and solve the question there. There is no need to use 4 variables there. Observe this. So I'll write down the variable side. This is math. Why I wrote only these 3? You can understand this by reading the data there. Physics. I'll write down this as chemistry. I'll take down this as none. Means those who are not physics, chemistry and mathematics. Matlab remaining subjects. So these are the variables here. A, B, C, D, F, G. 150 students are interested in mathematics. Is it given only mathematics? No, it is given mathematics. So mathematics 150. 200 students are interested in physics. 200 students are interested in physics. 175 students are interested in chemistry. Yes, perfectly done. 50 students are interested in mathematics and physics. Is it given only? No, there is no such term called only. So mathematics and physics means intersecting point of math and physics is D plus G here. D plus G is nothing but given as 60 or 50. Come to next one. 60 students are interested in physics and chemistry. Again, it is not given only complete physics and chemistry. Physics and chemistry intersecting circle is E plus G. E plus G is nothing but equal to 60. Coming to next one, 40 students are interested in math and chemistry. Math and chemistry means F plus G. F plus G is nothing but equal to math and chemistry, which is nothing but equal to 40. And now 30 students are interested in math, physics and chemistry, all the three, right? So G value is nothing but given as, I'll write down here. G value is nothing but given as 30. अब देखो बेटा, if G value is given as 30, now see here, if G value is given as 30, what will be D value? D value will be 20. I'll write down this 20 here. If G value is 30, E value will be 30 because 60 totally. If G value is 30, F value will be 10. Yes, perfect. Remaining students are interested in humanities, we will find out that N value. Based on the above information, the number of students interested, you are asked to find out none value marks. None value is nothing but those who are not physics, chemistry and mathematics. Matlab they are humanities. So let us find out all these values, then we will get the answer there. Now the math is the total circle of math is 150. This is 10, 30, 40, 40 plus 20, 60. So automatically A value will be 90. Come to here, physics is 200. So D plus G is 50, 80. It is 120 here. Come to the C value there. 30, 30, 60 plus 70. Now this is 105 there. Now total physics circle value is 200. I have added this total matlab A, B, C, D, E, F, G plus M. I'll write down here. Total matlab A plus B plus C, D plus E plus F plus G plus M. This is nothing but your total value. Let's write down this and now observe this. Total physics value is 200, means B plus E plus D plus G. So I have added those values 200. 200 plus 90, 290 plus 10, 300. 300 plus 100 is 400, 405. So how much is left over there? 405 means, is it 45? Yes. So 45 is nothing but equal to 450. So the none value is nothing but equal to 40. 10% of the total students are registered in humanities, and this is your answer there. Perfectly done. Exactly. So I hope so I am clear regarding the solving the questions there. Yes. So I will be giving you 2 minutes for this. Try this, right? A basic simple interest, compound interest based question. Of course, right? This type of question is asked in many examinations. So how do you solve this, right? Those who know the formula can solve the question. Without formula, how do you solve this? That is my logic there. So on May 15th, I am conducting a super test series right on Unacademy. It will be a 20 questions, 30 minutes test. So do try to attend and just make yourself test yourself, right? Where you are and how you are performing, right? Any answer for this, right? So anybody got the logic there? So if you be active in the class, right, I can deal very good number of questions, ma. Of course, right, nowadays, right, this will be a deciding factor for your examination. You cannot avoid this in a technical examination on tech syllabus. A sum P, let us suppose that you have a sum P and it is divided into two parts. Let us suppose that this is X and this is Y. The first part is compounded annually at 10% for 2 years, and the first part is compounded annually. So the formula is amount is equal to X into 1 plus R value is 10, compounded annually. So small n value is also 1. I'll write down this as 10 by 100 whole square. So this is nothing but 11 by 10. So finally amount will be equal to how much, ma? 1.21x. Because 10 plus 1, 11, na 1 point amount value. Now let's come to the y value. I'll write down in black ink. The second part is given on a simple interest, it seems. So everybody know the simple interest formula. Simple interest is nothing but equal to PTR by 100, where P value is y. Time period is how much? 3 years. And rate of interest is 18. So automatically 3 18s are is how much? 54. Is it nothing but called 0.54y? 0.54y. So I have to find out the amount. Amount is nothing but principal. Principal plus interest. Principal is y. Interest is 0.54y. Can I write down this as 1.54y? Yes. So I received an amount of 1.54y in the second case. In the first case, I received 1.21x. Right? If the final amount is 36% more than the original sum, final amount is 30. So original amount is P, ma. 36 more than means, is it 136%? So I can write down this as 1.36 into P. 1.36 into P, original sum, is equal to how much? This is what you have obtained, 1.21x plus 1.54y. When you combine this together, the whole value is 36% more than the original value. In the place of P, can I substitute x plus y? P is nothing but equal to x plus y. Yes, I can substitute the same value there. If I write down this 1.36 into x plus y is equal to 1.21x plus 1.54y. So 1.36 minus 1.21 is how much? 1.36 minus 1.21 is nothing but 0.15x. So this y I'll take down on right hand side. 1.54 minus 1.36 is nothing but equal to 0.18y. So finally, can I write down like this? X divided by y is nothing but equal to 18 by 15. 18 by 15 is nothing but equal to, is it 6 by 5? Is this your answer there? Ratio is 6:5. Sir, you wrote it as a normal, good morning Mahi. You wrote it as a normal equation method, and what is the difference there? So I'll show you the technique to solve this question there. Ek baar dekho. Now see here, I'll solve this in alligation rule. So see here, this is your compound interest value. How much it happened? It became 1.21. I'm not writing the variable values. What about your simple interest? Your SI became 1.54. Okay, fine. By the end of the day, what you have checked is it has increased by 36%. By comparing the simple interest and compound interest value, the value has increased by 1.36, right? Whole sum amount is this. By alligation rule, can you calculate this? Yes, you can calculate this. 1.36 is higher. So this will be 0.15. This will be how much? 0.18. 1.54 is higher now. So automatically see here ratio values, is it 6:5? I need not write down any equation there. When there are two variables, I can use alligation rule to solve the question very easily. And I've done it perfectly here. I hope so I am clear regarding this. Use the same technique of alligation rule and solve this question there. Last question of this question of the day. I'll not force you apart from this. 2 minutes, try this. We have to apply on amount, Mahi, right? Question is asked regarding amount, not interest. Finally, how much you receive? Let us suppose take, right? I took 100 rupees from you. So how much you got back? 154 rupees, right? So in that 154, 100 is your principal, 54 is your interest. Combined value is the question asked. Sir, आराम से देखो what is the question asked, then you can get a clarity. Yes, you can take down like this also. You can take down like this also. I converted into normal value, Mahi, right? You can take down like that also. See, I'll solve the same question like this. Two types of sugar, price X per kg. Now this is X per kg value. And rupees 35 per kg are mixed in the ratio of 3:7 itself. These two are mixed. I'll write down this. And they go by this mixture price value. This is cost price, ma. These are cost prices. X and 35 are nothing but cost prices. If after the selling at 36 per kg, you got a profit of 12.5. 12.5 I can write down in fraction as 1/8. Ab zara sa dekho, right? So your selling price is nothing but equal to 36. And of course, selling price is nothing but equal to cost price plus profit. 1 plus 1/8 will be 9/8 fraction. And now you have to find out your one part value, which is nothing but your cost price. How much is that value there? 9 ones are 9 fours are, is it 32 rupees? Yes, it is 32 rupees. Now 35 minus 32 is nothing but equal to 3. Automatically 32 value will be higher. 32 minus X by alligation rule. Now everybody know this is mixed in how many parts? 3 parts. This is mixed in how many parts? 7 parts. Yes, perfectly 7 parts. So automatically 3 value is nothing but equal to 3. 32 minus X is nothing but equal to 7. So finally is your answer 25. 3 gets cancelled. 32 minus X is equal to 7. X value is nothing but equal to 25. And your X value is nothing but equal to 25. That is a yes, that 25. That's it, right? By alligation rule, you can solve it easily without writing any equations there. Your X value is 25. I hope so you got my logic there. So I will be making you to solve more number of GATE and ESE questions from the previous year papers. Question of the day. I hope so I am clear regarding this. So every day I'll be taking 30 to 35 minutes. I'll be forwarding you the entire document also. Now, as you all know, I deal with CAT, UPSC and GATE and ESE category. If you wish me as your guide, you can use my code NLN10 for plus subscription. You can use my code NLN10 for iconic subscription. Yes, you can use my code NLN10 to unlock combats, which happens on every Sunday, so that you can get 25 to 100% discount at least on your subscriptions. You can unlock free classes on Unacademy using with my code NLN10. The price for plus for 12 months will be 32,126 after discount when you use my code NLN10. Is for 18 and 24 months. As we said, we have introduced one more subscription category called 9 months. Those who are interested, you can try to subscribe for 9 months. Those who are preparing for GATE 2020. And again, the price for Iconic for 12 months will be 55,886 after discount when you use my code NLN10, and this is for 18 and 24 months. Yes, you need not wait for anyone to clear your doubt here. Unacademy has an extraordinary wing called Unacademy Ask a Doubt. So you just click the picture of the doubt, crop it and upload in doubts and solutions, select your preferred language and get the video solution within minutes there. You can ask up to 3 doubts at a go. And do try to join my special classes here where I am dealing campus placement strategy sessions, so that those who are aiming for dream company placements, my strategies will be damn surely helpful, and I'll make you to solve all the questions which were asked by different companies. Today we have a session at 12:50 p.m. So do try to attend this, where the environment will be gamified and electrifying, right? And the interaction will be 10x more than on YouTube. And please do try to join this Telegram group so that you'll get all the updates regarding all the educator classes, courses and all those things. And please do try to hit the like button and share my classes if you like it, so that I can reach to more number of audience. Subscribe to the channel, download the PDF and hit. Thank you. Have a nice day.
It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
where you put your knowledge to test.
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now. It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test.
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.